Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to extract frames from a video using VLC if you are on a Windows computer. So the first thing we need to do is go to the VLC Media Player website and download the Windows version of the installer. It'll take a minute or two for it to start. Yep. But as soon as it finishes downloading, you can click this file right here to run the installer. Now once the installer is done, we need to create a new folder called Frames right here on the desktop. You can do that by right-clicking on your desktop, going to New, and then creating a new folder. Once we have the folder, I'm going to right-click it and go to Properties, highlight the location, and then hit Control-C to copy. Now we're ready to open VLC. Alright. With VLC open, I'm going to go to the Tools menu and then to Preferences. At the bottom, under Show Settings, I want to click All, and then scroll to the bottom of this list right here. Expand Filters, and then click on the Scene filter. This is the filter that extracts the individual frames, and there are only two things on it we want to change. The first is the path prefix. So I'm going to hit Control-V to paste in the location of our frames folder, and then I'm going to add \frames to the end of that. I'm also going to change the recording ratio to 8 so that the software will extract every 8th frame from the video. Then we can hit Save. I'm going to go back to Tools and into Preferences again, Show All, and then go back down to the bottom. This time, we're going to click directly on the Filters item, scroll down to the bottom, type in Scene, and then save. Here I have a video that was filmed in slow motion, and I am going to drag it into VLC and let it play. Okay, the frames did not extract, so I'm going to go back into VLC again and double check Menu Items, Scene Filter. That all looks correct. Filters. That looks correct as well. Save, and let's try this again. Okay, there we go. Now you can see over here in the Frames folder, it is adding individual frames from the video. So if I stop VLC and open this up, I can see that I have approximately every 8th frame. And I can go through them backwards and forwards to create animation. So if it doesn't extract frames the first time you run VLC, try closing VLC, reopening it, double check your settings, and try again. It should work on the second time if it doesn't work on the first.